Previously on Dead Reckoner.
3.5.
Golden trinkets, mobile phone, expensive shoes you can get.
And then I'll go left here and we'll break out to the north. Okay?
Perfect.
There we go, 3.5.
I'm gonna love you. I'm gonna love you, baby.
Alright.
Yeah. That's the most I've ever felt. It's great.
Okay, cool.
So that's where we left off last time. Of course, we still had to get back to Prestwick, and Derek was kind enough to let me fly us there.
So do you want a shot?
Sure. Yeah.
Okay, so I'll just cut back slightly in the power. Yes, the cruise.
Dialect point number 1.
2400.
8 miles to touchdown.
Speed
Descend
us.
to altitude 4,000
Leave it more.
10,002.
Okay, so that's at least, you've no mixture in the back, so I'll worry about that. You've got the throttle, which you won't be able to see anyway.
Yeah.
But that's
Oh, I see. I'm just
2400.
gonna wag a little
Yeah.
bit just to get an idea of how it
Sure.
feels.
Okay, so finger and thumb we kind of use and
Yeah,
recommend
yeah.
the back. This rough direction is good. I'll do the navigating and the radio. You can just kind of keep us going in this general direction.
Sure.
Let's give you a bit more power. So speed about 140, 150, 160, anywhere in that ballpark's fine.
Okay.
You ain't going to stall anyway. And we're clear of controlled airspace now anyway, so height's not an issue, but around about 3,000, 2,000-ish.
Okay.
Okay,
Yep.
you happy?
Yep. I'm happy. Right.
Take the pedals as well.
Yep. Go feel
Okay, you have control.
I have controls.
So yeah, if you want to do some little turns left, right, you'll get the feel. You need a bit of rudder as you come into the turns in this aeroplane, just a tiny touch more than anything else.
I can't see.
No, you can't see the ball, but
When you coast in on the south bank, be advised there is activity at East Fortune.
that's not for us.
Yeah, Roger, thank you. Golf Lomond.
So what we're kind of going to do is go up this big flat valley,
Yep.
straight up to the bottom of Loch Lomond. That keeps us clear of the Glasgow zone. Yeah, so you got the Wallace Monument there ahead.
See it? Yeah.
Stirling off to that side. Come around kind of around the back of those wee hills there.
Very responsive.
Yeah, well, reef it round, have a shot.
As you saw in the last video, a lot of the differences when flying a tailwheel aircraft are actually when you're on the ground. Taxiing is quite challenging. You can't see in front of you, you have to do clearing S-turns. The rudder pedals are used a lot more than I'm used to in a nosewheel aircraft. In the air it felt very responsive. It's certainly faster. I'm used to cruising at 90 knots, not 140 to 160 knots. It was certainly responsive. Using the stick was something that was new for me as well. And in the back, it's a shorter stick, not the full-size one in the front. I also couldn't see the instrument panel. In the back seat, you don't have a replica of that, so yeah, I had to rely on Derek feeding back power settings and just confirming that the ball was in the middle. Although you tend to be able to feel that.
A little bit of rain on the right.
I see that.
Some ahead as well.
I might, yeah.
Hang a bit to the right here.
Yeah. That's fine, so you can just do that pressure as well. Unfortunately there's no trim in the back either, I've got that, so if you want nose up, nose down, let me know and I'll
Okay.
do that for you.
It's holding fairly well
Yeah.
though.
Okay, that's our oil temperature back into the green. And then you can see where you're going anyway, so it's no big issue.
It is really small movements. on
It
the
is,
stick
yeah,
like here.
especially in the back, yeah.
Not quite used to the attitude as well for
Aye.
level, so
Yeah, now you'll get used to it, so just feel free to fly it about.
sure.
Right, so
Left first, and
Yeah.
then I'll move
Sure.
out of the way that the showers after.
we're well clear controlled airspace at the moment. Okay, so that's a Glasgow listening squawk. Which is, let me look, 2620. I don't know if you've used these listening squawks before.
No, I never have. I'm always 7,000 when I'm switching, unless they tell me
So
otherwise.
basically you don't call them, you just listen. And if they want you, they'll say aircraft squawking 2620 over Stirling,
Right, okay.
blah blah blah.
I didn't know that was a thing.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because we're not actually going to go into their zone, so there's no need to really call them. A wee bit of rain there, isn't there?
Yeah.
Nothing major. Yeah, so just go round the back and then left when you can. Go ahead along that way.
Okay. I'll just pass this cloud first.
Sure, yeah, no, absolutely.
Oh, Ben Lomond looks amazing today.
It does, doesn't it? Yeah.
So back 26 Golf Lima, descend to altitude 6,000 feet, QNH 1003.
What's the throttle at just now?
You're 2,500.
Okay.
So that's why you're at 160, but...
I'll put it back slightly.
Yeah,
So approach 36 Golf.
and that's kind of a level attitude now, so
Yep.
that's what you're looking for.
That's the radar pass message.
Big Golf is just climbing away from a touch and go at Cumbernauld, and like instructions to...
So 2,400, 150, that's what we should get, so that's all good. 74% power, 29 litres an hour.
QNH 100.
That's amazing that you get that economy out of that.
2604.
I say if you go up and do a high level cruise, it will be down to 22, 23 probably.
That's excellent. When you say high level, you're talking
Well, sort of
8,000 or
6, 7,
something?
8,000, yeah. Yeah. Because obviously you can lean it back even further.
What's the furthest you've gone on it then, in one leg?
Me, Tailwheel Hill, which is about an hour and a half, 2 hours south.
Okay.
Sorry, about an hour and a half south, not 2 hours. My mates flown the Channel Islands in one hop,
Wow.
2 hours 5 minutes from Prestwick.
Not bad.
And we're off to Germany
Golf 3.
and France next month, isn't it? So,
Nice.
Southwest of Cumbernauld.
We've got it 2604, and we're on altitude at the moment.
so we're going to, there's an air show near Zurich, but it's in Germany.
Oh, nice.
Just on the north side of the big lake there. We reckon that's 4 hours flying. You could do it on the one if you wanted to, but we'll probably stop north of France, have a pee, a croissant, and then head on from there.
Yeah. Is that Millport down on the right?
Yeah, it is, down there, yeah. Right, the only thing we need to watch here is the power station. We need to be above 2,000, so
Okay.
climb us up 300 feet, that'd be brilliant. There's just a restricted area around it. So
Sure, yeah.
as long as you're above 2, that's fine. There you go, that'll do.
Okay.
Yeah. So if you want to do a wing waggle, that's my house down there, the missus might be watching. Go on, bit more exhibit. There you go.
Hey, that's it.
Perfect. Okay, you can start a nice gentle permanent downwind now. And I would just probably aim for the big mount that's on the horizon.
Sure, okay.
That'll be near enough. Okay, we're 160 knots. Downwind. So we're going to come back to power now at about 2,000.
Okay, I'll
Just start easing us back. Just hold our height. Come down to 1,000 feet now. I'll set the QFE. There we go. So, back in the throttle. Keep coming, keep coming. A bit more. And just hold the height and let the speed decay.
Okay.
Okay, downwind checks. Brakes are off. Undercarriage is down and welded. Mixture is now fully rich. Fuel pump is on. Switching to the overshoot and the diversion. We're on the full tank. Gauges are in the green. Hatches harness all secure.
Yep, secure.
Okay, cool. Downwind checks then. I got Tango Romeo downwind at right hand from me 305.
Tango Romeo report final, QFE if required 1001.
Final QFE 1001. Golf Tango Romeo. Okay, a bit more power now then. So 120 is good. So we'll just ease it up to about 2100. Up to about there. That'll do. So we're still motoring, but it'll lose speed pretty quickly. And when we're ready for base, I'll take it from you. Alright?
Sure.
Okay, have control.
You have control?
So 80 knots. We're going to come back to 70 as we get closer to the airfield. Bit more flap as well. We're good for now though. Bit more power. Here we go, full flap. And just coming back gently to 70. So the important thing here is to land straight with no drift.
Sure.
We're going to line this up now. I'm just going to use a bit of into wind aileron and we're going to try and do a wheeler landing. Basically it's going to land on the main wheels, kind of in the takeoff attitude.
Okay.
That gives us more directional control. Going to ease us down, ease us down. Going around, not quite right.
No worries.
That's gone up. Thinking of the tailwheel as well, don't push it. If it's not going to do it, then there's no point fighting it. Golf Tango is going around. Ideally we'd use runway 21, but there's a big sort of American military thing parked down there, so I don't know if it's available or not.
Yeah.
Yeah, then I'll go with it.
At this point, I have to admit, I was a bit of an amateur, and I forgot to format my cards, so we're down to one camera. You're going to have to stare at my face as Derek lands the aircraft.
8525, clear the Chania, New Galloway, 1 kilo departure, squawk 3442.
That's better. There we are.
Nicely done.
So we're down now. But we're not finished yet, so I've got to get the tail down now. There we go.
Take up that cleared, reach 525 is cleared.
Now you see me dancing on the rudders. That's just basically just, as I say, every action needs an opposite reaction, and you can't see where you're going, so you're just kind of trying to keep as straight as we can.
H525, roger.
Okay, so down at 09 for the second time.
70 degrees, climb into altitude 6,000 feet.
How was that then, alright?
Yeah, that was great. I loved it. Thanks.
If you enjoyed this video, again, hit the thumbs up button. There's a little subscribe icon down in your bottom right of the screen. I've made it easy for you, so there's no excuse. Hit that, it really helps the channel. And until next time, Dead Reckoner, out.